today is day Shimmery 11. Keep on vibing, keep on thriving, keep on writing. Says peace, spread the word. Today I'm going to show you my outfit. Now, I'm going to show you some new signs. Fashion. What's the model? Model. Fashion. Shopping. Shopping. Clothing. Clothing. Dress. Dress. Shirt. Shirt. Pants. Pants. Skirt. Skirt. Shorts. Shorts. Bra. Bra. Underwear. 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 Shoes. Shoes. Boots. Boots. High heels. High heels. I hate high heels. Flip-flops. Flip-flops. After that, sneakers. Sneakers. Socks. Socks. Tie. Tie. Bow tie. Bow tie. Necklace. Necklace. Earrings. Earrings. Hearing aid. Hearing aid. This is what this is. Hearing aid. Cochlear. Cochlear. Hearing aid. Bracelet. Handcuffs. Bracelet. Jacket. Jacket. Suit. Same time. Suit. Jacket. Sweater. Sweater. Hat. Hat. If you want more signs, please come back next time. Love you. Keep on vibing. Keep on vibing. Keep on writing. Peace. Spread the word.